Hi guys, today I will be doing a review on the Jvc Full HD Everio Camcorder. I got this about a week ago at Costco here in the United States for $219. It came bundled with your carrying case, battery, 8GB SD card, and your USB and AV cables. It also has a camera feature snapshot, 1.5 megapixel snapshot. Couple things to know about this camcorder. Okay, it's not a bad thing because you can easily remedy it. It is the battery life. The data battery that came with this camcorder is 700 mAh. Will only get you about an hour or less. Definitely less. So I would recommend purchasing a backup battery, which is this one right here. This one is 2100 mAh. There's an actual higher one which is about 3100, I think it was, for I think it was $80 to $80 and up. But this one I purchased at B&H for $61 total. It will give you a good 3 hours plus of recording time. Also, I also purchased this battery charger for a little under $8 at Amazon.com, and included with it was your car adapter. Some highlights of this camcorder: it's full HD 1920 by 1080p recording. The memory card slot is right over here, right? It has an optical 40 times zoom. The dynamic zoom is 70 times SD. Time-lapse recording on this guy. And it says here 200 digital zoom. Comes with the HDMI port, your USB, your stabilizer. It comes with two settings: your silent button and your toggle between video and camera. And your power button's right there. Your snapshot button is right up here, along with your toggle with your volume and your focusing, your zooming. Here's your DC connection right here. Take that off. And the lens cap is built in. You can see that. Pretty cool. One of the other highlights of this is the time-lapse. You don't normally find that in camcorders of this price range. If you live in the United States, pick one up at Costco for $219. Like I said, you'll just need to get a couple things: an extra battery, your battery charger, and you're set to go. You can get 16, 32 gigabytes, I think even the 64 gigabyte memory card, and that you're set to go. One of the other highlights of this is the super low lux. It takes great low light pictures. I recently, my daughter had a birthday recently. She's 5 years old now, and I got to use this camcorder, and it actually worked out really well. I'm quite happy and satisfied of this purchase, which is why I invested in a battery and a charger. And also, this is a 3-inch LCD touch display, and it can pivot this way, that way, and like that. I'm gonna power this up for you guys. Okay. Some of the other features on this is the intelligent auto. So wherever you point the camera to, it will adjust automatically. So right now you see a candle and a flower. The candle symbolizes the low light, and the flower symbolizes the macro, which is the close-up. As you can see, it zooms pretty smoothly and effortlessly. There's no noise. You don't lose any resolution up to 40 times. And that's really, really good. Let's see. Touchscreen is very responsive. Here's the video that I took. And I'll show that at the end of my review here. If you live in the United States, stop by Costco and pick one up.